In this video, we are going to be looking at logarithm of numbers. Now, instead of using calculator to multiply or divide numbers, I can actually use the logarithm table. Now, before I go into that, I want to first and foremost teach you how to find logarithm of numbers. Now, I've got a list of numbers here, and then we're going to try to find a logarithm of these numbers. But as you can see, I've already found the logarithm of 88.3. The logarithm of 88.3 is 1.9460. Now look carefully. We have two parts of this logarithm. We have the part before the decimal points, and then we have the part after the decimal points. Now this, obviously, the part before the decimal point is an integer, and then we call it characteristics. So it's known as the characteristics of the logarithm. Do you understand? Now the part after the decimal point obviously is a decimal fraction, and then we call it the mantissa of the logarithm. Do you understand? So we have two parts. We have the integer part, which is the part before the decimal point, and then we have the decimal fraction part, which is the part after the decimal points. Does that make sense? Now the first part, which is the integer, we can get it without looking at the logarithm table. We can get the integer for all the numbers even before we look into the logarithm table. So how do we do that? Let me show you. Now to find the integer part, all I need to do is to ask myself, how many digits do I have before the decimal point? And then subtract 1 from it. For example, this one I've done 88.3. How many digits do I have before the decimal point? I have 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So that's why I have 1 point. Do you understand? So let's do for 14.2. How many digits do I have before the point? 2. So I have 2 minus 1. That is 1 point. Does that make sense? For 5.434, how many digits do I have before the point? 1. I'll do 1 minus 1. That will be 0 points. Can you see? I'm looking for the integer part for all the numbers. Now let's do this. This is 2394. Now you can see this is a whole number. It does not have decimal points. Another way to look at it is that if we want to even put a decimal point, it should be somewhere here. Do you understand? So technically we have 4 digits before the point. So we do 4 minus 1. That will be 3 points. Does that make sense? So for example, if I have 134 and I want to find the integer part of this, it will be 3 minus 1. That will be 2 points. Does that make sense? Now let's do 892.3. How many digits before the point? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 points. Now this is a special case. Now when we have 0 point something, this is what we are going to do. We are going to turn this into a standard form, which is basically what we'll be doing for the one above too. Now remember, if I want to turn something like 0.029 to standard form, 0.029, I'll be having 1, 2. That will be 2.9 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Does that make sense? So it means that the integer part for 0.029 will be bar 2 points. Can you see, like minus 2? So we have bar 2. Do you understand? Let's do the last one. 0.4752. Now we are going to turn it to standard form too. So we have 1. So we have 4.752 times 10 raised to power minus 1. So in this case, we'll be having bar 1 point. Do you understand? So when you have 0.0 or 0 point or 0.00, that's a special case. All you need to do is to turn it to standard form, and then you can get your integer parts. Does that make sense? Now, having said this, we need to find the decimal fraction part. And the way to find it is to get a logarithm table. So let's get a logarithm table. Now, as you can see, this is a logarithm table. So if I want to find the fraction part for 14.2, all I will just need to do is 14 under 2. So you can see this 14 here. So I'm doing 14 under 2. 14 under 2 is 1523. So I add 1523 to the integer part. Do you understand? 1523. So it means that the logarithm of 14.2 is 1.1523. Do you understand? Now to find the fraction part for 5.434, all I will do is 54 under 3, difference of 4. So I have 54 under 3 is 7348. Then I'm going to do difference of 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. So I'll be doing 7348 plus 3. Do you understand? So we have 7348 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have 7351. So it means that the logarithm of 5.434 is 0.7351. Do you understand? Let's do the next one. So to find the fraction part for 2394, all I need to do is 23 under 9 difference of 4. 23 under 9 difference of 4. So as you can see, this 23 under 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 3784. Difference of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 7. So I'll be doing 3784 plus 7. 3784 plus 7. Do you understand? So we have 3784 plus 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have 1 carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. So we have 3791. 3791. So the logarithm of 2394 is 3.3791. Next. Now to find the fraction part for 892.3, 892.3, I'll be doing 89 under 2, difference of 3. Now this 89 here, under 2 I have 0, 1, 2, that is 9504. 9504. Difference of 3, I'll be having 1, 2, 3, that is 1. So I'll be doing 9504 plus 1. Do you understand? We have 9504 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 9505. So it means that logarithm of 892.3 is 2.9505. Next. So to find the fraction part for the logarithm of 0.029, all I need to do is 29 under 0. 29, this 29 here. Can you see 29? Under 0 will give me 4624. 4624. Do you understand? We have 4624. So we have the logarithm of 0.029 is about 2.4624. Now let's do the last one. Now to find the fraction part for the logarithm of 0.4752, all I need to do is 47 under 5, difference of 2. 47, this 47 here, under 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6767. 6767. Difference of 2. 1, 2. That is 2. So I'm having 6767 plus 2. Do you understand? 6767 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we should have about 1.6769, which is the logarithm of 0.4752. I hope you understand. So don't forget, you do the integer part first, then you finally do the decimal fraction part. I hope you understand.